So it's starting to look really nice, I reckon. So what we're going to do is now is we're going to go down to the bottom, and I'm going to show you guys. So if we've got here, you'll notice that it's got this down here. I don't think it's needed in the footer. I think what's better is to have our social media icons down the bottom here, because people a lot of the time they expect to look somewhere, maybe the header or the footer, and go to find your social media icons. And I think a good place to put them is at the bottom. So let's go through how we can add our social media icons onto the bottom. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to customize, and what I want you to do is go to menus, then you're going to go to social menu, and you can change this to footer. I'm going to simply change this to footer and socials footer, and then what I want you to change it to is tick footer menu and untick. So with this customizer here, you get to see everything happening live. So if we scroll down now and have a look, we should have them there. And there you go, look at that. There's all our social media icons. Now, of course, if people clicked them, they wouldn't go to anything, but all you have to do for that is you go through and you just simply put in your Facebook page here, and so you can go through, you can put in your Twitter, you could put in your Google, your LinkedIn, your Instagram, your Pinterest, or your YouTube. Now, just say for you don't have, because most people, they're not going to have all of these, so you can completely edit it out. So just say most people don't have Google Plus. It's just something that's not really used all that much. So just say you don't want to have that on your website. All you do is simply just hit remove, and you'll see that it is now removed, that section. So you could go through, and maybe you don't have Pinterest either, so you can just simply hit remove on that, and all good. So it's just that easy that you can remove ones that you just don't think are needed, and then you just hit publish and exit out of that. And now we have our menu done. It's starting to look really nice. And then we've got our social media icons that just look awesome. Okay, so our website is really starting to come together now.